In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Drive on your computer desktop. Uploading, downloading, or sharing files in your Google Drive can take a lot of time, depending on your speed of your internet and other factors. By setting up a desktop Google Drive, both the drives will be synced. We can add the files in the desktop Google Drive. The same will be available in the Google Drive on the web. In Google Drive, first, we need to click this settings icon on the top. And again, Get Drive for Desktop tab. Next step is to download the drive on our desktop and install the Google Drive desktop application. And done setting up Google Drive desktop application, we can go back to our computer's Drive settings page. You can see a Google Drive is set up on my computer desktop. We can open both the Google Drive on desktop and the Google Drive on the web beside each other to verify both are identical. If we add files in the desktop Google Drive, the same is visible on Google Drive in the web. The demo PDF file and the demo Excel sheet file both are visible in the Google Drive on the web. And when we delete these demo PDF file and the demo Excel file on the web Google Drive, the same is deleted on the desktop Google Drive as well. Both are synced. This saves a lot of time working with Google Drive, uploading, downloading, and sharing files on the net. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.